What's going on? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to stay disciplined.
Nerf this!
So if you are new here and you're finding my channel for the first time, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you won't miss a thing. I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. So today I'm making this video as much for you as for me because in all honesty, recently I have not been as disciplined as I would like to be. I've been procrastinating. I haven't been doing what I'm supposed to do when I'm supposed to do it. Part of that is me trying to figure out a new schedule and a new routine, but at the end of the day, that's just an excuse. It's on me, so I have to take ownership of it. So, let's get into it. So before I break into actual actionable steps, I just want to explain the difference of motivation and discipline because oftentimes those two terms get confused and they're not the same. So motivation is what will get you started, right? It's when you're feeling uplifted and confident and you're ready to tackle anything. Discipline is really embracing the discomfort. And what I mean by that is when you have true discipline, it's when you do something that you know that you have to do, when you have to do it, even when you don't feel like doing it. When you're motivated and you feel like doing something, it's cake, it's easy. When you don't feel like doing something, that's when your discipline is really checked. So when you're not in the mood to do anything, not in the mood to film this video, and you do it anyway, that is when you truly know that you are being disciplined. So motivation is what gets you started and discipline is what keeps you going. So the number one tip is to develop habits, and that seems like something easy to do, but have you ever tried to have a New Year's resolution to go to the gym more and lose weight, or to start eating healthier, or to quit smoking, or anything like that? You really are tested, and a lot of the time, most people fail. So you don't want to be most people, so you need to develop new habit. It typically takes about 21 days for a new habit to form. So my advice on developing a new habit would be to start small, celebrate your wins, and don't aim for perfection. Aim for an upwards trend. So the second thing I would do to create more self-discipline in your life is to make a commitment to yourself. Make a commitment to yourself and who you are and who you want to be, and that takes some soul searching. That takes you getting in front of the mirror and saying, who am I? What do I want? Who do I want to be? And the biggest thing that you can do to really commit something to yourself is to write it down on paper. When you write it down on paper, you are 10 times more likely to follow through on things. So my third tip would be to create reminders. It is so easy to forget that you are trying to do something, or it makes it easier to fall off the wagon when something's not in front of your face all the time. For example, if you want to get up and work out at 4:30 every morning, then set a reminder on your phone. And it's always hard to keep the long-term vision in the front of your mind. So a lot of personal development experts have tried to tell their clients to create a goal card, and basically what that is, it's just a card with your long-term goal on it, and you keep it on your person. So every time you go into your pocket for your wallet, for your phone, you'll see that goal card and you're like, okay, it keeps in the front of your mind. So let's just go back to losing weight as an example. Every time you want to go eat fast food or McDonald's or something unhealthy, and you reach in your pocket to get your wallet or get your phone to order that pizza, you'll see that reminder, that goal card, and you'll be like, you know what? I got these goals and I gotta stay disciplined. So number 3 is to definitely create reminders for yourself. And number 4 is to eliminate distractions. Now that sounds super easy, but trust me being the worst offender of being on my phone too much, try to schedule times for your distractions. That's the easiest way to eliminate them. If you can schedule blocks of time for your phone, and when you're not using it for business, or for Netflix, or for, socializing with friends, or just shooting the breeze with coworkers, if you can schedule and block those times, that'll increase your self-discipline and eliminate time where you get distracted and off task of what you're supposed to be doing, and that will help you to remain disciplined. So I hope all of this makes sense, and I hope you found some value out of this video. If you did, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button and share this with your friend. Don't be afraid to share it with your friend. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for checking it out. Again, my name is Sean, and each and every video I do try to make you the best version of you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Signing off. So you'll be alerted every time I miss a video. I haven't been disciplined. I haven't been doing. So the first way, what keeps embracing So when you're not in the, so motivation's what get you, so motivation's what's get, so motivation, and most often time, and a lot of the times, so my advice on developing, so I guess my advice on developing habit, go kart and we carried around in our park. So what a lot of, if you did, please be sure to, if you did, again, my name is Sean. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for watching.